Hello mga mommies! Welcome to another episode of Casey's Baon Story. Today is Thursday, another school day, another baon made with love, and let's see what Mommy Cathy packed for Casey today. For lunch, she is having rellenong bangos that is available at Cathy Gonzalez Morado online shop. Dunkin' Donut naman ang kanyang AM snacks. Isa sa favorite niya ang Bavarian. And for breakfast, of course, we still have pandesal and liver sausage that I bought in Santis yesterday. Siyempre, her daily vitamins are taken after breakfast. Hindi rin pwedeng kalimutan ang kanyang daily water intake. That's a must, mga mami. At ito, tinatid ko na nga si Casey sa Dominican College, which is only a 3 to 5 minutes walk from our house. Aside from the ID system that is an integral part of the school security and safety procedures, bag inspections are conducted as part of the school security procedures to help prevent prohibited or dangerous items from entering the campus. Security within the school premises is strictly enforced. Strangers and unauthorized individuals are not allowed to enter the school premises without proper identification and authorization. Yes, ganyan po kami sa Dominican College. And by the way, also teachers are required to comply with the bag inspection. At pagkatapos ko nga hihatid si Casey school ay dumiretso na ako sa aking daily devotion to our Santo Cristo. And this is it mga mommies! Have a wonderful Thursday everyone!